John here, guys, and today we're talking about the new Cyclone. This is Dalprops' latest Cyclone V2, the 5146.5 prop, and I have it installed on one of my quads. I'm going to be testing it for the first time today, but a lot of the rest of the Houston crew has already been testing this, and we've been getting a big supply of these in. Now, our prop of choice for the last almost 2 years has been this, the Hurricane 51466. This is an excellent prop. These are probably my favorite props of all time, but let's see how the new Cyclone V2 compares to that. Now, the things I'm going to be judging it in is speed, control, how light or fast it is in order to accelerate quickly, and durability, because as you know, the Houston crew flies among all these trees, and we also fly the toughness of the night spot. So let's see what everybody else thinks of these props.
Channel right here on the side. Whoa! Uh-oh. Video went off. Yeah. What happened? I don't know.
So you gave me these. These are mine, right?
Yeah, you gave Johnny 2, right?
Yeah.
So when we say we're gonna try the props, we don't try 1 or 2 sets. This is just mine. Yvonne has like 10 of these bags.
Yeah, not 10, but yeah, it's a lot. Well.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think they feel really close to Gemfan 51466. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but the last batch of Gemfan 51466 started breaking next to the hub. And that was one of the reasons why we decided to try the other ones. And they so far they feel pretty good, I don't know.
Yeah, everyone
it needs more testing, we'll see how that goes, but they're not bad, that's for sure.
So safe to buy 50 sets. All you guys only buy 2-3 sets at a time. Don't do that. Here we have the 4.3 version, the 4.6 version of the Dal, and then here's the Gemfan 51466. All of the shape are pretty similar, as you can see. Dal has a bit more pitch right here, as you can see, even though they're both 5146. Supposedly, it seems like this has a bit more pitch. That makes sense because I was getting slightly more hot motors on this. The acceleration of both are very, very good. In fact, if you compare this to the 4.3, it actually looks a bit similar. It's very difficult when the prop manufacturers start messing with those numbers and they don't actually put the pitch equal to what it is. Speed and acceleration and control are very similar on these. Right here, I would basically use the lower pitch if you just want a slightly bit more flight time, a little bit cooler motors. And I really like that both of these Dals are a little firmer. They have a little bit less flex than the Gemfan, which has a little bit more flex. Durability wise, the Dals seem to bend a little bit less. They won't, if they get hit, they seem to go back straight. These end up getting little cuts in them if you hit something small enough, like a little branch. These won't cut, but they'll kind of get like a little dent, which you can sometimes flatten out. So very similar prop. I would use the two interchangeably. It's nice that you have another option on the market to go with. Best prop is always a fresh set of props. So whatever prop you can buy the most of, don't be like me.
He say this, but he never does that.
Don't be like me and run the same props until it's just a nub.
And also Kalman Lotion.
Yeah, links for Kalman Lotion in the links below. Yvonne and Sam are setting up the track. Let's go see what they're doing. What is this, a giant gate?
This is safety, so if you wrap it around the tree, then if you crash it, it's not that hard.
Right.
Oh.
Then you don't break camera because it says caution, so you see caution, you slow down.
Well, I don't know. It doesn't say caution. It says, what does it say?
No, it's also caution.
Oh, what is
Cuidado.
it? Cuidado.
Cuidado. It's the same thing.
How you say it, Limon?
I don't know.
Cuidado?
I'm like, what the heck? This is like a huge ant
What are you doing over
You got an ant file?
Yeah, I have like something biting my legs.
He's dancing.
Oh, damn. Get off of him. Yeah, get him off you, Limon. I'll finish it here. Get
Oh, yeah. You got a bunch of them, dude.
A whole bunch of them, Limon.
I know,
Get them.
Get them before they get up.
Well, it's too late. They already bite me a lot.
Yeah,
well, they're going to bite you. They're going to bite you even more.
Yeah.
I don't think it's firearms. Otherwise, I would be running like crazy.
They got some on your sock, I think, on,
Yeah, they're gonna
on that
crawl
side.
upward.
It'll be a lot of bites. A lot.
Where's everybody else at? Who's coming? Joe Mama?
They're coming. Joe Mama should be coming.
Yeah, Joe's coming.
Joe Mama was taking a breakfast 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Oh man, he's got a long breakfast.
Yeah, I know, right?
A lot of food.
He was like, I'm at IHOP. I'll be there in a minute.
In a
Yeah.
minute.
I'll be a little bit after 11. I'm like, okay, cool.
Look, we are sacrificing our legs to ants to build the track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's here in time.
Nobody's here today on time.
So taking a moment here to appreciate Sam's work.
Oh, it's no problem
Sam
at all.
always bringing gates, always setting up the track, always tearing it down. It's the engine of H-Town chapter. I appreciate your help, Mr.
No
Sam.
problem at
This
all,
is
man.
very
It's no
appreciated.
problem,
Yeah,
man. You know, whatever I can do for everybody so we can
Yeah.
stay flying, you know, I'm down. Remember at the nice spot, I put it away from the tree,
Yeah.
and you went in between the tree. So I put special caution tape for you, sir.
So I gotta go above this.
No dick move above the gate. So we
dick
launch
move.
off, we'll go high, we'll go low, around, into the gate. And from here, be careful, you got this hanging straggle.
So Mr. Sam found the tallest tree at Bear Creek
And he said,
and decided that we do split this over it.
hey, fuck it, right?
Yeah. And this is our course.
Yeah. Then you got caution tape right here. Come in between right here
Yeah.
and split that.
Whoa. God,
Now
I
we're
like
coming
it,
back
I
this
like
way. Pretend these are Lucas's 2 flags.
Lucas's.
Yeah, remember you know how Lucas had
Lucas split S right
yeah,
here.
now we're coming back this way. Corkscrew. Now we're coming this
Johnny
way.
5 will cut that scraggle with his drone.
Yeah. This is where I'll be stuck.
Now we're coming this way. Turn back around.
And this motherfucker said he cannot design the track.
I can't, man.
I like it. I
Look
like
at
it.
that. You gotta feel the end pile.
Oh yeah.
You go high first.
Don't go.
then
Don't go
turn.
too close. Oh, so Yvonne stepped in this ant pile,
Are they gone?
and now don't get too close. Now look at his legs.
Well,
my
now they
gosh.
cover with lotion that Johnny
Yes.
5. Yes.
Yvonne went and got calamine lotion. There'll be links in the description below for calamine
Calamine lotion, I don't know. It sounds like some like monkey crap or something. I don't know.
Is it working? Is it less itchy?
I think
It
so,
might take
yeah.
a little while.
I think it kind of helps, yeah.
All right.
But there are like bunch of ants here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You see them. You don't see them, but then Calamine lotion.
Yeah, links for
Ants
calamine
biting you.
lotion is below. If you fly in the woods, you should have this as a backup, right?
First aid, skin protection, thick, elegant suspension.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got